Hey everyone, Timmy Twist. Back for another Supreme unboxing. I know it's not silver, but this is a pretty interesting piece, so thought I'd share it with everyone. Make sure I get everything out. Pull it all out. I did get the Arabic box logo hat the other week, but that was pretty boring, so I just, opened it up on my own. But this is a very cool piece. Some nice stickers, yeah. Regular Supreme. The Blood and Semen. This is their collaboration this week. Pretty controversial stuff. Oh. And there's the Christ and Piss. Not trying to offend anyone, but it is what it is. That's what the shirt is as well. This piece is a photograph from an artist named Andres Serrano. I think I can find his name on the back of this shirt, maybe. Play around with it a little. There we go. So this guy, I think this photograph is from '87, I'm pretty sure. And this is just a plastic crucifix with Christ on it in a jar of what he claims is his piss. So that's kind of interesting. He does a lot of stuff with, well, blood and semen, other bodily fluids. Little out there, but if anyone's into metal, he also did some album covers for like Metallica, I know, Load and Reload. He did some pieces there. This original piece of art sold in '99, something like that. Sold for like $270,000, $277,000, something like that. So it's pretty crazy. A little controversial. I might hold on to this. I might keep this for my own self, or if I move it, maybe pick up some other fun stuff. So, thanks for checking it out, everyone. Leave a nice little spread here for everyone. Have a good day.